Looking for a dash cam that captures every detail with crystal clear precision? The Kingslam D5 shoots in stunning 4K 2160p at 30 fps, ensuring you never miss a license plate or road sign. Whether you choose 5K or Full HD 1080p, your footage stays sharp and reliable, giving you the evidence you need when it matters most. Controlling the D5 is effortless thanks to the upgraded KingSlam app. Connect your phone, whether Android or iOS, and instantly playback or download videos without removing the SD card. You can even tweak settings right from your phone, making the whole experience smooth and user-friendly. One feature that stands out is the built-in GPS module. This means every recording comes with location and speed data, providing crucial context for any incident. No extra wiring required. For the best viewing experience, download the official GX player from Kingslam's website to review your GPS-tagged footage in detail. Driving at night or in low light? The D5's Sony image sensor, paired with 6-layer glass lenses and HDR technology, delivers impressive night vision. You'll get clear, vivid recordings even when visibility drops, so your safety and peace of mind don't take a backseat after dark. Worried about your car when it's parked? The D5's parking mode has you covered. It automatically starts recording if it detects motion or impact, locking those critical moments securely. Just hardwire the camera and you'll never have to stress about what happens while you're away. I'm no expert at installing car gadgets, but setting up the Kingslam D5 was straightforward. Driving a 2013 VW Jetta TDI, I wanted a dependable dash cam with solid reviews and a reasonable price. The D5 didn't just meet expectations, it exceeded them. It's the backup I trust on busy interstates every day. What makes the Kingslam D5 a smart buy? It combines high-resolution video, easy app control, GPS tracking, and reliable parking surveillance in one compact package. Whether you're a daily commuter or just want extra protection for your vehicle, this dash cam delivers clear benefits without the hassle. If you're ready to upgrade your driving safety with a dash cam that truly works, the Kingslam D5 is worth a look. It's designed to capture every moment with clarity and keep you informed, so you can drive with confidence. Try it when you're ready to see the difference firsthand.